Hi, my name is Jean. Welcome to Johnny's workshop. Today we'll be looking into this Ninco, which was prepared by AST One. Is a friend of mine that competes here. So he's designed his own chassis, as you can see, on a 3D printer. So we'll be looking to what is done to it. And as you can tell, it's very neat inside. Uses slotted components such as the motor pod, gearing, I believe the wheels are also slotted, the guide. So he said he's used tough PLA to print this. And the design is drawn on Fusion 360. Tires are beautifully trued. And let's see how it sits on the track, which is amazingly low. So now we can reassemble this and see on the track what it does. Thanks again for this beautiful preparation. Hope you enjoyed this video and see you next time.